Want to book a hotel using Deem? Well, here's how. On the Trip Planner page, enter your destination and dates for your trip, then click Search. On the hotel results page, you can still make changes to your destination or dates by updating your selections on the search bar located on top. If you would like to filter the hotel list by superbrand or brand, click in the brand name box and select the hotel brand you want to see. You will also have the option to select affiliate brands. You can apply additional filters to your search by clicking on Expand Filters. Here you can filter by amenities, star ratings, number of guests, and hotel category. Now you can review the results by list or by map. Click on the hotel name to see more details, such as hotel overview, room options, hotel location, and TripAdvisor reviews. When you're ready to make your selection, simply click on the hotel name and select your room type. Now you can review your trip and make any adjustments needed. Once finished, click Continue. Welcome to the Purchase Trip page. Here you can name your trip, review all travel information, such as reward numbers. Just a reminder, all fields with asterisks are mandatory. If all looks good, click the Purchase Trip button, then you will be presented with your confirmation page. Now get ready to pack that suitcase.